Hello kids! Welcome to Easy Kids Art. Today, we are going to draw a cute bear. Let's start. First, draw two big round eyes. Next, draw a small nose. Now draw a happy, smiling mouth. Next, draw the bear's head. Great! Now draw two round ears. Now draw the bear's body and legs. Finally, draw a small tail. Let's add some grass on the ground. Now let's color our bear. Color the face light brown or cream. Color the body brown. This will make the bear look soft and fluffy. Color the grass green. Color the ground light brown. Finally, add some dark brown shading on the body. Wow, great job! Your bear looks so cute and cuddly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Easy Kids Art for more fun drawings. See you in the next drawing.